And
Hi, Nikki.
hi, how are you? It's good to see you, Nurse Esther.
I brought you a few things.
Oh, great! Thank
to
you.
help with some recipes, healthy foods.
Yep, I got some recipes here.
Okay, great. So,
Good.
how are things going?
You know, things are going pretty good. I've been trying to do what the doctor says, but sometimes I don't really want to because it can be a lot.
I know how you feel. I know that it can be a lot when it comes to eating, better foods. When everybody else is eating, fattening foods, and you want to be part of that too.
Yeah.
I understand that, but remember, you have to take this very seriously. Your diet is very important. To just eat the healthier food now, because I know you want the freedom to do whatever you want. However, your freedom can be taken away later on if you don't follow these healthy diet measures, right?
Yeah.
So make sure you're taking your medicine the way the doctor asked, provided for you to do that, as well as eating healthier foods. Because here's what could happen. The first thing that could happen is maybe you would have vision loss because of the fact that your diet is so poor. And you don't want to have vision loss, because how are you going to be able to drive and go to work?
Right.
That takes away your freedom to drive, right?
Yeah.
And then the other thing is, what about, actually I recently had a patient who had a sore on their foot.
Yeah.
And that sore, because he's a diabetic, would not heal. And the fact that he had poor circulation on his foot, that caused him his whole leg, like they had to amputate his leg.
I don't want that, but I don't like taking shots though.
Yes, so that's why eating healthier would help you, because remember, food is like medicine.
Yeah.
And the Most High created all these plants and wonderful foods for us to eat, and this is nutrition to our bodies. So it's really important to follow a good diet and lifestyle to avoid these things.
So these things aren't good for me?
No, these too much sugary foods is not good for you.
But this says it's a snack mix. It's just some cereal and some snacks.
Yes, but you can have healthier snacks like certain fruits and in moderation, and eating vegetables and all these things that would help. Because remember, your kidney functions. You can lose kidney functions if you're not eating right, and your diabetes gets worse. And can you imagine if you lost kidney function? You would have to go to dialysis 3 times a week. So imagine, like, you're trying to keep your freedom of eating what you want, but then you would lose freedom of time when you're having to take so much time 3 times a week to go to dialysis.
I don't think that that's a great idea for me. So how can I start to eat healthy?
So I would say just eat. Like, I know you like Haitian food quite a bit.
I do.
So there's a lot of Haitian dishes that have lots of vegetables and great nutrients. So you just have to take away the things that are not good for you. So take like white rice. Instead of doing white rice, maybe do some plantain or some kind of vegetable that's less carbs.
Okay.
And then maybe brown rice or quinoa or
Okay.
certain things like that you can replace it with. But try doing those things, and your body will just start liking those kind of foods and desire those healthy foods. But you just got to give it time. Train your body.
Okay. Well, I think I'll try my best to do that. So how often should I visit the doctor?
Well, you should follow your doctor's instructions. So at least every 3-6 months, you just ask them, when is best, and just go for your visit. Don't miss your appointments. When you get there, bring, whatever question you had, so you can speak to them about that.
Okay.
And let them know whatever you're missing, if it's medication, if you're still needing refills, or anything, to check your blood sugar. Make sure you're doing that also before taking your medication. And as far as your doctor's visit, normally they would want to check blood work to see how your A1C is doing, which shows how you've been doing for the past 3-6 months. So if you've been eating really well in 1 month and you're not eating bad, you're eating pretty bad in 1 month, they're gonna see that.
And so it's not something that I can just get solved in 1 month.
Yeah.
Okay.
So just do your best with your diet and enjoy your Haitian food in a different way. So.
Okay. All right. Great. So if we're making beet salad, then how would I be able to alter the recipe?
So with beet salad, you know, we add that mayo in it. So instead of mayo, add your good ippies and do, you know, the potato and less potatoes, I would say, more beets because beets is better for you. And you can, you know, make your beet salad that way. Just add a little bit ippies and that should help.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate that, Nurse Esther. So we're
Let's
gonna get to
start
do it.
cooking.
Yeah,
All
let's
right.
start cooking.